Okay, so we got Alex, Julian, Jonathan on the team. It's the 27th, 28th?
28th.
Yeah, 28th of May.
Okay.
Go!
Can you hear us?
But I yelled go.
They'll figure it out.
Yeah. No, we're going to them.
I know.
Come on.
Are we
go.
just walking straight down the driveway?
You guys can go wherever, whichever way you want.
I'm following you.
I don't think that sounds like a very good idea.
Well, you're team leader, so you decide.
Go.
Come on.
Where are we going?
Alright, let's just go straight down the driveway.
Good enough.
Gonna get us all shot, watch.
Probably.
We're all just gonna die, they're gonna ambush us.
It wouldn't surprise me, dude. Chris is actually a really good tactician.
I said when we get to the pump house, somebody goes down and cuts out. And then we go, somebody goes up and somebody goes straight.
Alright, I'll go down.
Okay. I'll go,
Yeah, that's right, Julian. You shake it. You shake it, Julian. Dude, I can't believe it's freaking May 28th and snowing.
Yeah.
Bullcrap.
What's up with that?
Yeah, dude, what the hell? I already got the freaking lens wet.
hit Bigfoot in the back, so Halo starts, his shield just goes.
Yeah. And we got there were dogs somewhere over there. My hands are cold already.
Really?
Yeah.
Me.
I think Mom needs to invest in a better freaking video camera.
You see that really weird tree down there that curves up?
Yes.
Go down a little bit farther than that, and then just cut straight over.
Alright.
And then I'm gonna take this road up and around.
Yeah.
And you go.
Not very quiet, am I? That tree fort that we're attacking, maybe, still have no clue where they are. Even though we're only 2 minutes in the game. We got Alex, excuse me, here with my MP5. He's just a badass like that. Yeah, we got tree fort. Nobody's on it, surprisingly. Got Julian walking across right there. I can hear him over there. Can't see him because of all the damn snow, but
I can hear him too.
I just saw one of them. I think I did. I already got snow building up on the camera.
It's hard when it's cold. Glasses fog up easier.
My stomach's growling. Alright, so, do we know the plan?
Thinking about, well, not going in the open.
Don't get shot?
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan too.
Thought so.
Going around through the
Do you want to
bushes.
just loop down, or
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, because going through the open would be pretty bad.
you lead? I sure as hell want to get shot first.
Wasn't this the area Nikki was in last night?
Yeah, this is where Nikki was last night sometime. I still can't believe they just freaking followed us. We never heard him.
There's Julian.
There's
go
Julian
into
being an
the
idiot in the open. Hey, is that thing off safe?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
Must not be in that area. He's right out there in the open.
God, I really hope I don't get freaking blazed. Dude, that would suck so
I'm
much.
just waiting for him to go.
Actually, I'm waiting to hear a single shot and see him drop.
Where anything is, I'm just kind of like wandering around.
Well, then stick with us.
Yeah, stick with us.
Because I know this place better than my damn house.
Like up there.
You didn't?
Did not.
Okay. Well, we just heard him down there
Yeah,
somewhere.
I'm hearing them. They're going through the brush over there.
We could go down and then like come around
Cut
the
them
back.
off. See if we can cut them off.
Yeah.
Ooh, crap. Rock slippery. Really hope I don't get shot. That would suck. Just, hey, cameraman! Got woodshed, barn, and tree forts right there. There's a little bunker right there. Oh crap, I catch up with these guys. Ouch. Little skid road. What are you guys looking at?
Him?
Oh yeah, hey. We have taken our first contact. Go.
First shot.
You guys better run. Hey, cameraman, don't shoot. Got Chris, cameraman, don't shoot, please. Got the Sasquatch coming out. You got Jonathan somewhere up in there. Oh, there he is. And you got Alex and Julian hiding right there. And over here by Julian. What?
My gun's totally busted.
What'd you do to it?
I don't know. It just stopped working all of a sudden.
I had all you in my sights, now we ruined it. Jonathan, yeah, we didn't lose
There's Nick.
I know.
That was it?
Yeah.
You're kidding.
I ran up around Nick, jumped out and shot him in the back. Came out, shot Nicky in the back.
Are we doing a free-for-all? What the hell?
No.
No, it was a team.
No.
Did you kill your own teammates?
These two
No.
in my sights, so I was like getting ready to shoot him, and then Jonathan just somehow comes behind me and shoots me in the back.
Dude, he's on your team.
No, it's not.
No, it was Julian, me, and John.
It was just three.
And then those three.
Oh yeah, huh. Forgot about that. Jeez. I'm not used to
Both of
John.
my guns stopped working.
Just team kill everybody.
Is it off safe?
I know.
Yeah, it's on full.
Like I saw him like walking down here for a while.
Like occasionally he does this. It's just like, oh no, I'm not gonna work right now.
Yeah, I
Alright.
went the road around behind you.
Battery's dead.
I just charged it.
Yeah, Dylan walked through the clearing right there and turned around.
There you go.
What'd you do to it? Dude, your battery's pretty much screwed. I have a battery inside.
Maybe it's overcharged because I charged it all night and it was like blah.
Nikki, Nick, Chris, Alex, Jonathan, and me.
Me.
Yay, me!
How close that bullet was to you.